Hi, in today's class on average, let us see the tricks to find the average of consecutive natural numbers. In all the sets of numbers, we know that average is equal to the sum divided by number of terms or number of items. In the case of consecutive natural numbers, as in the case of odd numbers and consecutive even numbers, we know that the middle number is the average. And if the number of terms is even, the average of the middle numbers is the average. Also, the average of the first and last terms is the average of the given numbers. See here. Here 2, 4, 6 items are there. 6 terms are there. Average of first and last 29 plus 34 is equal to 63. 63 divided by 2 is equal to 31.5. That is the same as the average of the middle two numbers. Also, by finding the average by making the terms equal, there also we can see that average of the first two terms is the same as the average. And if the number of terms is even, then also taking 1.5 from here to here and half from here to here, all the terms become equal. That is, average of the first and last terms is same as average of the middle two numbers. Okay, that we have seen in odd numbers and consecutive even numbers. Here, this we have studied in algebra. The sum of consecutive natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. To bear it in mind, you have to look at the picture. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and from here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding from 1 to 5 twice, we will get 5 into 6, 30. So, the sum of numbers from 1 to 5 is half of 5 into 6. Similarly, we can see that the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 10 is, instead of 5, we have to put 10 blocks. And here, we will get 10 plus 1, 11. So, the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 10 is 10 into 11 by 2, which is equal to 55. 11 into 5 is 55. And from 1 to 100 is 100 into 101 divided by 2 is equal to 10,100 divided by 2, which is equal to 5,050. And this is what you have to bear in mind. Then average of consecutive natural numbers starting from 1. Just see this table and look at the last row. Here from 1 to n. N means any number. From 1 to 100, number of terms is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 100. Similarly, if whatever may be the last term, that many terms would be there in average of n consecutive natural numbers starting from 1. So, the average is n plus 1 divided by 2. Last number plus first number or first number plus last number divided by 2. 100 plus 1 divided by 2. We have seen just now. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. 3 is the average. So, you have to bear in mind starting from 1, the average of consecutive natural numbers is half of 1 more than the number of terms or half of 1 more than the last number. And here n into n plus 1 by 2 is the sum. From here also we can see n into n plus 1 by 2 is the sum. Number of terms into average is the sum. Okay. Now let us see the problems. Answer the following. The average of 7 consecutive numbers is 33. Which is the largest number? You find it yourself. Did you get it? 33 is the middle number. Then we can write the other numbers on the left and right. So 36 is the answer. The average of 7 consecutive numbers is A. If the next two numbers are also included, what would be the average? A should be written in the middle. A minus 1, A plus 1. A minus 2, A plus 2. A minus 3, A plus 3. We can put the other numbers like that. And next two numbers means A plus 4 and A plus 5. So the average is A plus 1. Answer A plus 1. Find the average of first 50 consecutive numbers. What is it? 51 by 2. 50 plus 1 divided by 2. That is the average. N plus 1 by 2. 25.5. Find the average of 41. First 41 multiples of 8. Here you have to see it. 8 into. Take 8 from all the numbers. So the other numbers would be 8 and then 1, 2, 3 etc. 41. And what is the average of numbers from 1 to 41? 42 by 2. Multiplied by 8 would be the average of first 41 multiples of 8. 168. The sum of numbers from 1 to 30 is 465. Find the sum of numbers from 11 to 40. What is it? Sum of numbers first. Find out sum of numbers from 1 to 10. In the last class we have seen a similar problem. 55 and the sum of numbers from 1 to 40 is 40 into 41 by 2, 820. And so the sum of numbers from 11 to 40 is subtract 765. That is the answer. Okay. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.